So I won a competition. I entered, and this is what I won, courtesy of Pro Tyler Tools. Holding the competition, tried my luck, and here it is. So this is the new suction cup from Montolit. Now, funny enough, I was actually looking at these prior to entering the competition because I needed a new one, and yeah, it was meant to be. Let's open it up. So you get the instruction card. Keep that out. Okay. Nice little box. And there she is. So with this you get 2 batteries. This is just a blanking cover. Now, I know this will last well without fail, because of the battery and obviously the vibration that the machine does have. With other products, they stop working, but this is quite stiff, and which makes me believe that the quality of it is a lot stronger. So you've got your mains power cable there, that's your spare battery. So you have 3 actually covers that go on providing what type of tile. I think that one is for the 20mm. You've got foam there, I suppose that may be for glass or light tile, but the standard one is red. So let's turn it on. You have to hold the button down, there you go. Start, and then release. There's a button there. I haven't got anything. So that's on full power now. I laid these tiles, so they definitely ain't coming up, but that's strong. You just press the release button. You got to hold it down, and it releases. But yeah, they're quite easy to interchange. All the faces, they just peel out like that. You can just put the new ones in. Again, it'll tell you in the instructions what's for what, but the main one for tile will be the red one. That's it. Just needs a little bit of pressure. And that's your lot. Brilliant. Nice bit of kit. So here are what these replacement grips, I guess, are for. So the red one will be for your natural tile. So if you've got a textured tile, you'll use the foam one. So for any textured riven surfaces, you'll use this foam one. And then for your 20mm stone, you'll use the black rubber one. It has these grooves in it. That's face down. That'll be inside the machine. So everything is there. Once again, thank you to Pro Tyler Tools. I suppose you've got to be in it to win it. It just fits in there. keep that up. Goes away. Just like that. Montolit. Gecone. Say thank you to all of you for your current support. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on, that way you won't miss a thing. But I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.